but in case we decide to relocate to Venus, we'll avoid such troubles. The planet's gravity is almost equal to Earth's. Venus has a dense atmosphere that could shelter colonists from radiation. In addition, there's a huge amount of carbon dioxide accumulated in the atmosphere of the planet, and oxygen can be extracted from it. But there's a problem. Behind Venus's thick veil lies a living hell. Large quantities of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere create an extreme greenhouse effect and raise the temperature to about 475 degrees Celsius. The atmospheric pressure on Venus is about the same as the pressure at a depth of 900 meters underwater on Earth. So even the most protected probes would only survive for a few hours there before being flattened by the gigantic atmospheric press. The planet's upper atmosphere is also flooded with poisonous acid rain, many times more corrosive than the most acidic rain on our planet. And the wind, at a speed of 360 kilometers per hour, blows away everything in its path. So why do scientists still consider colonizing such a horrible planet? It turns out that Venus hides a place like Earth. At an altitude of about 50 kilometers, there's a region with a level of pressure and gravity almost like that found on Earth. And the temperature there is about 30 to 50 degrees Celsius, so building floating habitats behind the planet's clouds might be a good idea. The NASA team has already begun developing the high-altitude Venus operational concept. The initial mission envisaged an airship 129 meters long and 34 meters high, and protected from high temperatures with only a thin outer layer. One idea was to use a nitrogen and oxygen mixture as a lifting gas for the airship, making its full volume habitable. It would make the airship lighter than the Venusian atmosphere, allowing it to float above the clouds. And because Venus is close to the Sun, there would be abundant solar energy, meaning no problems with energy to power floating habitats and cool the airship.